So it's January 25th. The drywall is done. 10-foot ceilings are pretty high, but thanks to the drywall lift, I was able to do the entire ceiling just by myself. No help needed. Today it's minus 18 outside and it's very warm and comfortable in the garage. Next step would be to get crack filling done. I'm hoping to contract that out. If anybody knows any good crack fillers, let me know. Look at that mess already. Garage isn't done and it's already half full. So lots of little tasks left to be done, but definitely we're making some headway.